274,565 Seafarers ShipOwner 438. We know that this invasion of Ukraine is going to generate a shortage of Russian officers and crew. It's 71,652, that's the officers. The ratings 126,471, total 198,123. The Ukrainian is 47,055 officers, 29,383 ratings, total 76,442, both united 274,565. According International Chamber of Shipping Statistics 2021, obviously these stats are obsolete and we should remake them. Please, Chamber of Shipping, International Chamber of Shipping, BINCO, update these figures because the planet is moving much faster. Yeah, so we need to update these figures, please, because a lot of volume, let's say, for example, fishermen in Spain, 10% retired per year. So imagine if these stats are from 2021, already 40% data is incorrect. So also some countries are big suppliers like Philippines always and so on, and India. So please, we need to have this data in order to provide the solution. One solution is, hola, buenos dias, change the language. If you want to have this tariff 25% USA because the Chinese cars, well, let's say that's the excuse, and then we have wars in Eastern Europe, yeah, then why don't we do buenos dias, Espanol language? Yeah, that's one area, because we will need to train a lot of fishermen into high voltage, into different types of ships, and there are this pool of fishing crew and general cargo crew in the Latin planet. Yes, there are. We have in Candina grown exponentially database. We do these videos about crew to embark 780, and then ship owner 438, this one, so on. So if you want to face the problem, do it. But if you want to surf positive this wave, let's do it and think about today having the perfect crew for your perfect fleet, like having local ESG, that's 1, 2, change the flag, 3, change the enlistment contract, 4, it's the time to eliminate all these columns that some states get from wages of seafarers, 5, more transparency, 6, cut travel costs. Yes, how much? Well, unthinkable, because this Christmas they will go up again, and so on. And another one could be change the language. Why not? Contact us and we have the solution for you. Let's make an opportunity. Thank you, bye.